My name is Michael Ford and I'm working for Aegis Software. Yeah, we are getting to that final stage now with CFX. Being part of IPC, of course, we have to go through a review process, industry review. So the 2 years of work that hundreds of different machine vendors have been doing has now been put into place. We're going through the final review. It's getting really exciting now. We've had 4 demonstrations of CFX working throughout the year, and people are really expecting the result. And 5th of November, we should be okay. I mean, these things can go a little bit one way or the other, but yeah, certainly very, very soon. It's been amazing actually, because as a software company, we do work with a lot of machine vendors, and it's always, I wouldn't say difficult, because everybody has the interest of the customer at heart. But there are a lot of work to be done with proprietary interfaces. What CFX has completely changed is how machine vendors work with each other, and how everybody has been contributing to a common standard. I honestly thought there were going to be agreements and that people would be shouting at each other. It never happened. People simply wanted to work together, create something that would add value for them as well as for the customers. They all saw that kind of mutual value, and that has really led people toward the kind of achievement that we're about to do. For us, it's very interesting, because we would like, same as the machine vendors, for CFX to be the last interface we ever have to develop, because it's not fun developing these things. They don't actually add value. I mean, the kind of software that we have on our digital platform, it's all designed to bring specific value, to solve specific problems. And interfaces don't do that. They're just a means to an end. So for us, what this represents is the ability to get good information consistently from all machine vendors and through our digital platform, which works already in real time. It's been designed for IIoT. Then we can start to really advance the kind of value for Industry 4.0 smart manufacturing. The trend so far for a lot of people has been simply to send the data into the cloud. I really don't feel comfortable with that. People treat the cloud like a landfill. They think that data can be simply gathered from the machines, sent up there, and somehow somebody will sort it out. But the fact is that that data is kind of too open in some cases. It takes a long time to process. What we prefer to do is a kind of hybrid approach, where the decisions that need to be made by AIs, artificial intelligence software, they need to be made in split seconds. They need to be available on the shop floor. And so that kind of critical data to the organization needs to be created, maintained, and actioned on the shop floor. But that's not to say the cloud isn't important. Certainly, there are a lot of analytic systems within the cloud. We can send information that has been qualified, put that into the cloud, and then allow the cloud software to do its thing. So a hybrid approach is a realistic and much more secure way of managing the data for the smart factory. I think right now we've got humans 3.0 working in manufacturing. We have operators who sit down and do jobs. We have people focused on particular tasks, maybe using some kind of online documentation to do what they want to do. It's not hands-free. They need to press buttons and do things. Humans, however, continue to be the most flexible of all of our production assets. If we look at Mercedes-Benz about 2 years ago or a year ago, with their S-Class line, they took out all of the robots and replaced them with humans because of the flexibility. So I think in 5 years' time, there are going to be humans, but they're going to be humans 4.0. Probably they're going to be wearing some kind of augmented reality, such that even somebody like me, I could wear that headset and I could go and do some kind of maintenance job. or I could do a quality check, or I could move materials around. So that as automation progresses, operators will become far more flexible and their level of expertise will go to a higher level. But it won't make their heads explode. It's going to be delivered to them through augmented reality. So will there be fewer humans? Probably. Will there be humans on the shop floor? Maybe not, ultimately in 5 years. But will there humans be part of Industry 4.0? Absolutely yes.